Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that is literally rewiring the physical world. I mean, think about this. A single delayed shipment, that can cost a global company millions of dollars in just a matter of hours. Crazy, right? Well, we're exploring the incredible power of business intelligence, or BI, specifically looking at how it applies to logistics and production. If you've ever wondered how modern businesses handle massive, complex operations without just completely falling apart, well, you're in the right place. We're going to see exactly how raw data gets turned into what is basically an operational superpower. So to get us started, I want you to chew on this question. How do global companies actually prevent supply chain collapses and production delays in real time, right? It's not just some business school hypothetical. It is a potential operational nightmare. In today's hyper-connected world, a delayed truck or a single broken machine doesn't just cost a few bucks. It can literally halt entire global networks. So what's the secret to preventing it? It's all about killing the guesswork and replacing it entirely with data-driven certainty. All right, before we jump into the really specific applications, let's quickly establish exactly what business intelligence actually does in operations. Honestly, think of BI as the central nervous system of a company. Whether you're building a product or shipping it halfway across the globe, BI takes massive amounts of raw, chaotic data and turns it into clear, actionable commands. It gathers, analyzes, and visualizes real-time performance to significantly improve efficiency and, of course, reduce costs. It is the engine driving operations forward, turning historical trends into confident, right-now decisions. Now, this shared mandate kind of naturally splits off into two distinct operational paths. Over on the logistics side, BI is all about transparency. We're talking automating reports to cut down on labor costs and translating wildly complex movement data into actionable insights for routing and shipping. But then on the production side, manufacturing analytics takes the wheel. Here, BI acts almost like a supervisor right on the factory floor. It's constantly monitoring waste rates, cycle times, machine uptime, vendor quality, the whole shebang. So it's the exact same underlying technology, but it's applied to two fundamentally different physical environments to solve totally different problems.
Take predictive analytics, for example. It acts like a crystal ball, but it shows two very different futures depending on where you're looking. In logistics, it uses historical data to spot seasonal variations and massive demand surges long before they actually happen. That lets companies plan their transport capacity proactively. But over in production, it predicts exactly when a specific machine is going to break down. By forecasting maintenance needs and production downtimes, a factory can avoid unexpected catastrophic delays. So, same exact data science, but totally different operational lifesavers.
And this predictive power naturally bleeds over into inventory management, which is basically two sides of the same coin. For logistics, BI tools track inventory levels in real time to analyze demand patterns. The goal here is simple but massive. Prevent stockouts of finished goods on the shelves and absolutely avoid overstock situations in the warehouses. In production, though, inventory management focuses entirely on the inputs. BI makes sure you maintain the precise flow of raw materials and unfinished goods so there are absolutely no disruptions to the active production schedules. Okay, let's drill down into some specific applications within logistics. When a logistics team fires up their dashboards, they aren't just staring at numbers. No, they're looking at the real-time heartbeat of their supply chain. They're analyzing transportation routes to pick the absolute fastest, most efficient paths. They're tracking supplier performance to weed out unreliability. They're even spotting opportunities to consolidate shipments and slash those fuel costs. And they do all of this by monitoring exact delivery times, calculating the cost per mile literally down to the penny, and ensuring strict order accuracy minute by minute. Shifting gears over to the factory floor, the applications of BI in production are just as intense, but they're highly localized. Here, BI provides relentless, real-time monitoring of machinery and work processes. The system is just constantly scanning the production line, hunting for bottlenecks so managers can instantly optimize schedules. It's relentlessly searching for areas of waste to drive down unnecessary costs. The KPIs on a production dashboard are basically critical vital signs. They constantly measure exact machine efficiency, total production throughput, and the specific defect rates of items coming right off the line. Now, it's one thing to talk theory, right? But think about the sheer scale of the global companies relying on this stuff. From streaming services to fast food, business intelligence is the operational anchor holding modern commerce together. We're talking about massive organizations handling immense volumes of data and physical items every single day. Let's actually zoom in on three absolute giants who use BI to prevent disaster and flawlessly execute logistics and production on a global stage. All right, first up, Walmart. They use BI directly for massive scale inventory and supply chain management. They're instantly pulling data to ensure the right products hit the exact right shelves right as demand spikes. Pretty incredible. Next up, Nike. They leverage BI for precise supply chain and product demand prediction. By analyzing global trends, they predict exactly which styles will be needed where, perfectly aligning their production with market demand. And finally, FedEx. They're basically the ultimate real-time case study in logistics and delivery optimization. They analyze route data and fuel consumption to shave fractions of a cent off every single delivery, which, at their scale, creates massive global savings. So, we've seen how tracking real-time data completely transforms massive logistics networks and complex production floors. And we've seen how giants like Walmart, Nike, and FedEx use these exact tools to dominate their industries. So, I want to leave you with this final thought to apply to your own world. How might predicting future bottlenecks change your own operational strategies? Whether you're managing a small team or a massive sprawling process, thinking in terms of real-time KPIs and predictive analytics can absolutely revolutionize your approach. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and definitely keep exploring the fascinating world of business intelligence.